let's go over this new platform with alpha traders. It's new to me, so I'm learning it. There are a couple things that we can go over. You see, I have the trade running right now, and you can have your executions right over here, really quick buy and sell. But the one thing that I really enjoy, so if you go like stop loss, but it doesn't kick you out yet right away because you need to put your TP, which is take profit, and then you have to press the confirm, right? So you don't right away get in the trade in your bracket order because you need to confirm to make sure you have your level set. I love to have my stops like trailing, so I call it my win-win situation. I win if it kicks me out, and I win if it gets me into my take profit. It might be too tight, everybody's different. So the bracket order, you can have it also set automatically before you place your trade. But now since I'm in the trade, I'm gonna let it run and see, like, if I want to add contracts to here, this panel is here for me too. I like to add manual trades a lot of times. So let's say if I want to buy a stop at certain price, I do that. If I want to add to my position. And if this position gets filled, automatically my stop loss and my take profit would change to 4 contracts. This is M&Q micros. And I really enjoy that. The other thing that I really enjoy is that I get to see how is my account doing on my calendar. So once this trade is over, I will show you two guys and you can track your progress. So let's see what happens with this trade. And here we are. Let's see if we're gonna get stopped out or if we're gonna get filled, and then we'll be able to trail our stops. And I'm happy either way. I'm happy if it goes my way, and I'm happy if it gets kicked out.
Order
Definitely.
filled.
There you go. Our order got filled, and I just have to remove because we don't want that. So when you go to Alpha Futures calendar account analysis, you get to see the trades that you took, how many trades you took. And I really like these analysis. Like if you go to account status, you have your trade history, see how you're doing. You have your analysis here for you, which is the calendar. And I think when it says that many trades, it's because I added to the position, and I actually took 2 trades, but because was added to the position, it shows 6 trades. But isn't it pretty cool? I thought it was really cool, and it shows long versus short balances, results by the day. You can study yourself, so it's kind of all done for you, right? Trade analysis, what is the negative days, what is the average days, results by position size. You can really dissect your own trading and see where you are at. So I think the platform is really cool. It takes a second to learn, definitely. Once you get comfortable with it, it's really not that complicated. And then another way you can also do is market order. I'm not a big market order kind of girl. I like for the price to come to me. And I really like how the bracket orders are done for me. I need to confirm first. So let's say if I want to do sell right here, I would put sell, right? And I get to choose how many I want to get filled. So let's say we're going to wait for this retracement, see if I want to go down a little bit more. And if we get filled, I'll show you how I would manage this position. So
Order filled.
there you go. We are in a trade. So we took 1 trade, and then this is the second trade. And so my stop loss, I would not be comfortable for it to go any more than here. See, it's not confirmed yet. And then my take profit would be around the 800 area. So now I was like, okay, should I check my chart a little bit more? Should I go different time frames to see if I like this? And if I do like this, then I confirm. Like, do I need to adjust it? Can you go a little bit more retracement? It's like, okay, I think I'm happy now with my position, with my stop loss. And now I confirm. Now my trade's alive. So yeah, we can watch and see what happens. There we go. And if it goes lower here, I would like to add to my position. That's why you see me, it looks like I took a lot of trades. It's just because I add to my winning position. Why not to get paid a little bit more for the move that I had? So there we go. We'll see what happens. There we go. And also you get to see your totals running on top too, which I really like this. I really like that I get to see what is my account balance, what is for today, what I am right now. I really like that too. It tells me how much more I need to trade, so I don't know what trade. I really like that too. Okay, because going our way.
Order filled.
There you go. We got the order. See, it changed all the way to 3 and it changed to 3. And the top one, it changed to 3. It's a little bit too much risk for me. I like to trade a little bit smaller. So I am gonna put myself right over here. And might not a lot of traders agree with me, but that's how I trade. And we're getting kicked out.
Order filled.
There you go. That was my trade. So now I'm gonna refresh and there you go. You see that? And so remember it showed 6 trades. Now it shows 8 trades. And I added to my position. So it shows like I took 2 more trades, but it really was just 1 more trade. So yeah, it's pretty cool platform. Actually, it's very responsive. Another thing I do, I always want to make sure that all of my positions are closed, right? I go flatten all. It says no active positions because sometimes I'll leave orders, right? So when the person that like me that adds orders all the time, I want to make sure that it's always flattened because I don't want to have these orders hanging in there and then later I find out that I burned my account. So if you have any questions, let me know. It's really intuitive in my opinion. Again, if you just want to add over here, you have this quick order right here. You can do the panel right here. You could do like I do the limit orders. There you go. That's my review and not that complicated. It's fairly easy, very intuitive. If you have any questions, let me know.